The responsibility of restoring such an amazing building, we don't take it lightly. It's so special to be working on a project like this. Of all the areas, the control rooms, which are so rich in amazing components, is really, really special to us. Well, Heritage really are the gatekeepers on this project. They're there to make sure that, as I say, no corners are cut and everything is done to the absolute letter and to the best it can be. We've got a lot of respect for the requirements that they set, where we retain absolutely every inch of the original building and the original history that we can, and where we do have to restore things or create things and replicate things that are perhaps not there, we do so in the truest possible form to how it was intended originally. It's fantastic to come down to site. It's amazing to see, what we're all working together to achieve here. There's so many people that have come together to bring Battersea back to life, and it's such a special place to be. And I think to see it when it's all done and to see it sit here for many, many decades to come is going to be phenomenal.